Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this wig.
And I used 4 packs, but I didn't know I was gonna use 4 packs, so I just got 2 packs in the beginning, then I got extra 1 pack, then I got extra 1 pack just to fill in the blanks.
Anyways, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I did this wig because I actually wanted something like this for Christmas, but I didn't want to like take it down after 2 weeks, you feel me? So I decided to make a wig. And also because a friend of mine requested me to make a wig video, so I said, why not make a wig for Christmas? Smart idea, right? So anyways, let's jump right into the video. Yeah, thank you. So in case you haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button down below. It's free. You don't pay anything. Just click on it and click on the bell next to it so you get notified each time I post a video. So now let's jump right into the video. So for this wig I'm gonna be using this weaving cap because like it has holes, wider holes in it, and I could crochet easily. I know in this video you guys can only see 2 packs, and that's because I only got 2 packs of hair initially, but I actually went ahead and got 2 extra packs just to make sure everything is full and thick. So I'm just gonna be inserting the thread in the pin and making a knot. Just make a knot so you feel it's secured enough. So what I did was I inserted the needle in the net and like I made sure it was a minimum of 2 holes and a maximum of 3 holes, if that makes sense. Like I didn't make it past that for the perimeters and everywhere. The only place I made it past that was the middle of the hair because that had a lot of holes. So I just wanted it to be tighter at the middle. So yeah, I go ahead and had the hair to one side of the thread, and I don't really know how to explain, so just watch. But I made a knot 3 times. Yeah. For the front of the wig, instead of putting the needle in the net, in the holes in the net, I just put it on the band of the wig cap, so that way some hair falls on my face and it doesn't really show it's a wig from the front. Here I got an extra pack of hair and I fixed those in, and now I'm separating the curls so the hair is a little bit fuller and bouncier.
And we're flying so close to where we belong, and we're trying to go somewhere new.
And here is the final day. I got the last pack of hair and I made sure everywhere was completely filled in. I know it looks scanty when I flip it around or shake it, but trust me, it's really dense. Going in my wig cap, I just try to make sure my wig, like the band of the wig cap isn't sitting on my edges, because I don't want to lose my edges no more. Anyways, I'm just gonna be twisting on the wig and trimming to my liking. So enjoy.
Trying to step back and see the view from above, 'cause I know that nothing lasts forever. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean.
Your girl is having some fun with a wig. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time. Bye. Kisses.